Hello guys, today I'm going to show you two different sources on where to get the best GoDaddy renewal promo codes. So first is from WebMeTools. Just search WebMeTools on Google and then search for GoDaddy here on the search bar. And once you're here in the article, they will provide you the best promo codes for GoDaddy of the current year. So make sure to check these codes. Make sure to try them all. Do not miss one. And then if you're lucky, it will work. And there's a good chance that one of these will work. Make sure to check this every time. Then there are some extra code here. Extra codes. Make sure to copy them all and paste it on GoDaddy. And the next website is on vpsdiscounts.com. Here you can see all of the available GoDaddy renewal coupon codes. Some of these are expired, so make sure to try everything. Just be patient. Click the get code button here, and then it will show you this code, and then copy it and paste it to the GoDaddy promo code field. So basically, that's it.